Fishing roaches run again over here near National Airport. Pretty good place to fish. Come around right there. Oh. Yeah, he's a spider. What we got here? Looks like a striper. Yeah, that's a striper there. It's on the first one that I caught of a good size this year, fishing any of the area local banks. There's a good look at what the striper looks like. This fish here costs you $500 if they catch you with this fish right now. So you better go to the restaurant and get you one. It might be better off. $500 per fish if you get caught with it. Showing you guys that so you'll know, and there won't be no excuse when you get your ticket, $500, that you didn't know what it looked like. Just follow me and you'll know everything about this fishing game. You can get out there. Okay. I thought I had one of those big bass. Every time I come over here, I caught at least one. Sometimes I get 7 or 8 of them. Might have one now. Let's see what we got here. Doesn't feel that big. Here you go, another one. But he bit hard over in that tough carrot, so he felt like he was a big one. And the carrot pulled stronger than he was. Good cast. Yeah, I knew I should have got up early. Those big fish bite early, man. I got a run of a bunch of little runts in. Try to get you another one of those rockfish. I use that. Children's babies are in. What a big thing. Well, since no fish are biting, I might as well take this time to show you guys the general area here. It's a lovely place to fish. As you can see, the bicyclists are all around. And you got the park planning guy over there doing a little treating. And this is what it looks like. This is National Airport. Lovely place for the romantics to come and watch the airplanes. And to leave the airport, they have to fly right over this area here, because you have all the picnic areas all the way over here. This is all picnic area and a little softball and what they call a hockey, soccer more or less. Then you got your bike trails. And you got a bike trail that comes right up here. So when I ride my bike, sometimes I leave New Carrollton, I drive all the way down the Beltway to the new Fort Washington Marina, park there, take my bike, I ride completely across the bridge over into Alexandria area, and then proceed to come all the way up here. Sometimes I even go all the way to Haynes Point. Some of y'all locals know where that's at. It's quite a bit more distance. That would be more or less northwest from where I put my bike in. Sometimes evening storms chase me back to the car, but I'm going away from the storm, so that's good. You know, it's not like when I used to fish in the Chesapeake Bay. I put my boat in at Sandy Point, and that's on the east shore. So when you go out, most of the storms come from the southeast. So you have to be aware with your radio at all time on what's going on in the heavens, because by the time you see it formulating in the air, it's too late, because you got to go back into it to get to your boat, get to your car, get to your trailer. Otherwise, you're stuck out there. You have to dry dock that baby, and I've done that before at Solomon's Island. Just dry dock the baby because the storm was just too rough. Too rough. Just said, baby, let's save our lives, and then we worry about the boat later, because we had to go and haul the boat up after the storm, and pull the plug out, drain all the water out of the boat. Lucky to be able to get it up off into the trailer to begin with, because it was so heavy with water. There you go. But anyway, we're going to take you up at the top here. Good. Okay, I'm going to go up here and get a shot up here at the bike trail now. What are you treating for today?
Invasive plants.
Invasive, oh, okay, plants, invasive plants. I'm thinking he's doing insects, but he's treating invasive plants. So there's your main route coming out of D.C. and the GW Parkway will take you all the way to the National Airport. And that baby, the ramp's getting on there this morning with some kind of backpack. Anyway, here's where I spend a lot of my time in the spring when the fish are coming into the rivers. And there ain't too much happening with the big ones today. Just a bunch of little ones. So I might have to try somewhere else with a little bit more luck. And see if I can get a little bit more luck. And I'm pretty sure I do. Or I will. Anyway, this is PCS Humble. Sorry about that, my business name. This is Brother Man Videos Various. Patrick Smith up here in Maryland land. But I'm out right now, I'm in Virginia. Across the river up there and you got DC. This is Virginia, going this way. Over and out, bye-bye.